opportunity to enlighten you, my fellow inmate. In the far foretold desolate valley of the historical slavery that our minds and the mighty technology catered for us to imagine, as the black community, the system was designed to swallow us whole. However, it can never swallow your power and spirit from within and even your soul. It is up to you to utilize this in either to conquer or to destroy. I, for one, am so lost in sin, I'm anxiously awaiting for salvation angels to save me that the Lord will deploy. We are now living in the mask age. We are now living in the age of misery and pain. However, our cries and prayers to the Lord will remain. Now, let us use these strange times to steal back what we believe life owes us. Now, to every one of us, let us take the opportunity that fate has given us. Though we have been imprisoned by our daily routines for quite a while, and we end up neglecting our main purpose. Our main purpose is to serve, survive, and submit ourselves to our Creator. The Creator of stormy seas and tides. The Creator of you and I, and yet we are in opposite sides. Your perspective and my perspective collides. Oh, well, then again, the mask age took us by surprise, shifting us into a corner which each and every decision we make, we have to sacrifice as we await our demise. Now, you have the option to sit and wait for mercy, or you stand up and you compromise. When you reach to touch the soft feathers that are found in care, know that the Lord is there. In the mask age, the volume of your voice will be sounds of despair. We are compelled by the great ignorance. We are a tamed species, tamed by unreliable data that has turted and torn apart the human nature as if it was played upon by the infamous vultures, programming us to adjust to unknown cultures, though through the corridors of wisdom, there lies a kingdom. Thank you.